Welcome, valued customer. Scan your card now or input your alternate ID.
Hey there everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Rich Charpentier. I'm the channel host, and as always, I'm really happy to have you here, so thanks for stopping by for a few. This video is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to quickly talk about something that came up the other week while I was working for a set of clients, and one of the managers for one of the client locations was very concerned about privacy issues and the use of drones at the RV resort that he was working at. And when I posted a video several weeks ago, I had some pretty interesting comments back from subscribers. One comment really caught me, and I wanted to talk about it because it was an awesome comment. So the subscriber on channel pointed out that the big concern that drones are going to invade our privacy um, might not be the biggest argument out there. So as you can see on screen, we've got a building that I've been working on for a while. Well, a set of buildings for a client where I'm flying progression reports for them to show their new construction. And as you can see in the screen capture, there are two little orange and yellow blobs in the image, and that would be myself and my visual observer Mark from that flight. So the drone is 76 feet above ground level. We can hear the drone where we're standing, so we're aware that there's a drone or something in the air. And you can't really make us out really good. I'd have to drop the elevation on the drone. I'm using a Mavic 2 Pro, and I'd have to really bring that drone down and closer to us to, get a really great photo of the two of us while we were at the job site. And so this ties back to one of my subscribers' comments on channel. And his comment was basically, if people are so super worried about their privacy and being on camera all the time, I sure hope they don't go through Walmart in the self-checkout because you're on screen. Well, after I read his comment, I went to the grocery store. I went to Fry's. I like going to Fry's here in Arizona. And I went to the self-checkout, and it was the first time that I noticed the screen in front of me that showed me being recorded. So you can really make me out a lot better than you can with that drone image, where I am flying a job site. So in the case of the job site, I'm focused on the buildings, the construction. I'm not interested in seeing who's who and getting really detailed facial shots of these folks because that's not what I'm getting paid for. That's not my job. But so the commenter here really, you gave me a big laugh. I'm sure I'll get another comment from you on this one. But thank you for pointing that one out. So not only Walmart with the self-checkout, Fry's, and we're on camera in a lot of places. And in a place like a grocery store, we're much closer to the camera and you can really make us out. But when it comes to drone professionals doing their jobs, flying real estate to help realtors sell, or flying construction sites to show off progress, we're not there to invade anybody's privacy. We're there to do our job. And if you're really concerned about being caught on film, there's a lot more places that get a lot more detail of you for their security monitoring. So I was really appreciative, and thanks so much for that comment. Not only did it give me a laugh, it does give me an interesting point to make the next time that I'm interacting with someone who's so concerned that I might be invading their privacy. And I explained to them, I am flying the park for the park owners. You're employed by the park, but I understand your discomfort. So I was trying to let him know that we're not focusing on him. We're not focusing on the people visiting the park. We're focusing on showing off the park so that more people are interested in coming to visit it. And the privacy argument doesn't really come up with a lot of the smaller drones today. Like I said, I'm on a Mavic 2 Pro. I don't have a zoom on that or anything. So, if I'm up 100 or 200 feet and you're down on the ground, maybe walking off in the distance from where I'm flying, I promise you we can't tell who you are. And you should be much more concerned about all the cameras focused on you, on your buying habits, your shopping habits, making sure that you're an honest person and you're paying at the self checkout. So, versus a drone that's a couple 100 feet away from you that you can actually still hear even when it's a good ways away. It's a very distinct noise and you know it's there. But so I just wanted to share that one with you because maybe you haven't thought about it as a drone pilot, but yeah, we're on film all over the place. And we can find ourselves on screens in lots of different stores we go to, and we're also getting our buying habits tracked there. So maybe a little less worry about drone pilots. You know, we're out there we're out there trying to do a good job for our clients. We don't, en masse, we don't want to invade your privacy. Sure, there's a jerk out there who might be doing that, but they've got a lot of ways beyond just drones to invade privacy. Big lenses can really show a lot from great distances. And so when you see somebody with one of those big white Canon lenses, the L series, they can probably, capture pimples on your face from a really good distance away versus a drone flying the same distance away, unless you got a really high-end drone with a high-end camera and lens. Most likely, there's going to be no detail about you whatsoever. So that was a really good argument, and I really appreciate it. And maybe that'll be something in the back of your mind for the next person that approaches you with privacy concerns. You're there to do your job. You're not there to film them. And if they're really concerned, there's a lot of other cameras out there watching them beyond us doing our jobs. All right, everyone. Hope that was a fun one for you. And we'll see you again real soon. I've got a lot of new videos coming up over the next couple weeks. So stay tuned and feel free to drop a note and ask any questions you like. I'm enjoying the interaction on this channel, and 2020 is going to be a great year here. All right, we'll see you again soon.
Welcome, valued customer. Scan your card now or input your alternate ID.